Hello, hello! Team G Adventure is here. Let's explore in Monaco and Mentong this 2026. Hello guys! So, ito yung aming first stop in Monaco. Isa itong 3-floor building which it has a king and queen with guards and museum, Oceano Monaco, and may mga display ng paintings. Exploring the Monaco overlooking site. This is the hidden spot, which is kami lang yung nakapapicture dito. Yung ibang mga kasama namin sa tour, hindi nila to alam. Unless sinabi namin pagbaba namin. So ito sobrang taas ng babagsakan dito. Ang daming yacht. And Monaco is one of the richest country in the world because yung mga nakatira dito are mga millionaires and billionaires. Kaya nilang i-manage yung isang country on their own. Para silang sitio kung sa atin, pero this is a separate country already from France. So this is a very good experience. Yung parang iba yung experience na pagiging posh and ramdam mo sa ambience pa lang na yung country is mayaman na bansa. So ito yung second stop namin is in Mentong, kung saan dito kayo manunood ng Citron Festival this 2026. So this is the float which you will be parading later. So makikita nyo na super colorful ng mga design kasi binibida nila yung mga citron na pinagmamalaki naman ng Mentong. Sa Mentong naman is na-observe namin yung mga daanan kung sa atin famous ay mangga. Ito naman ang halaman nila dito is citron, wherein makikita mo sa labas lang ng mga bakuran nila super dami ng bunga. As in wala nang kami nakikita ng mga tao bunga kasi nga parang normal na sa kanila yung supply ng citron. So ito yung amazing part which is nakikita niya na punong-puno yung place para ma-observe yung parada ng mga float which comprises different kinds of citrons and iba-ibang klase ng designs, ng styles, to give honor also to the residents and the tourists na dumadayo pa para lang ma-witness yung ganitong klaseng festival. So, you can see, halo-halo siya, bata, matanda. Yung amazing part is, kahit na super na matatanda, they are there to witness the celebration. Ganun sila ka-loyal dun sa sineselebrate na Citron Festival, which is pinagmamalaki nila. And then this place is just is considered as the boundary between France and to other country, which is the Italy na yung next. So may border place na tong Mentong. So this is a 4 hours drive from our city. So this is also 4 hours drive going to Italy na. So sobrang lapit niyo na to Italy. And super na-enjoy namin yung yung parade kasi parang yung makikita mong European culture and European festival na nakikita mo dati sa mga movies, theaters, as in dito mama-witness yung mga nagpe-perform. And then super dami din ng mga tao and all over the bus, all over sa labas, parang ang haba ng nilakad namin para makarating doon sa place. So ito yung napakagandang mga flowers. So like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.